Hi, hello. Let's continue with the Gradle file, build Gradle actually. Let me show you what we need to do to know, okay, about the default config. If you take a look in this file, you will see default config, and it's well, like the name says, is a default configuration, okay. Well, we need to worry, yeah, at the beginning, obviously, to try to understand what happened. That's why I am trying to share important details here. Okay, let's talk about the namespace. Okay, if you see the namespace is just the name of the package. That's the only thing. Obviously, you can change it. Obviously, if you change it, you need to come here and see if we have a real change. So, well, be careful if you change something in your package name or definitions. Well, just take a look if you are doing that. Okay, well, the second one is the compile SDK. The compile SDK is the specific. We need to specify which version we are using from Android is the key. Okay, so well, if you want to create a project, well, the main rule is, well, please define your SDK version. Okay, in this case we are using the number 33, but well, at the end you can use whatever you want. Obviously we need to think about the version. If we are using the new one, well, we don't have always the access to all the devices in the market. Or if you are using an old version, a very old version, well, sometimes you don't have access to the new features or new elements at Android. Okay, so well, you need to think about it. Okay, when you define the compilacy key, it's not just a number because it's your favorite number. Okay, well, the default configuration, okay, in this case inside this, we have the application ID. If you see, is in this case is the same. Okay, but you can play with that. Okay, but the most important thing is it should be a unique. Okay, that's the most important thing. So well, think about it, because at the end when you create your application, when you are uploading your application at the Play Store, you are using these elements like the URL. Okay, so the most important thing is try to be unique and put something different. Okay, in your names. Well, you have a minimal SDK. Okay, you are setting a minimum API level. That's the point. Okay, to use in your application. For example, if you put number 26, is you are letting to work your application with the version 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, okay, 32. But if one device want to use your application and they are, I don't know, maybe 25, 24, 23, okay, less than this one, you can't. Okay, well, the user can't. That's very important. Okay, the target is the key. Okay, you are specifying the API level. Okay, the target. That's very easy to understand because we are indicated the version. Okay, very specific about the target. And like I said in the past, version code in the last video and version name. Okay, in this case is the representation. We can say is an integer, yeah, because it's a number. Okay, and we are using the string. Okay, and remember this is for the Play Store. Okay, we are sharing that with the Play Store. Okay, and well, this is for us. Okay, the number of the version. So well, that's, I think that I share a great and brief summary about this default configuration. And well, if you have some questions later or something like that, well, you can come back to this video and check again.